How do I do a factory reset of a Wayne Dalton Quantum 3214 garage door opener?
Hi, my name is XXXXXX I will be helping you today. The closest thing to resetting to factory settings is to press and hold the program switch button for 10 seconds. This will erase all transmitters from memory. The status light and overhead light will flash 3 times, indicating a successful erase operation. Unplugging the unit and plugging it back in will reset other minor things.
Thanks, Brian, for the quick response. I had tried this previously, and yet again after reviewing your answer with no luck, I just never get the flashing lights showing a successful erase. The issue I'm having is our neighbor's car is opening and or closing our garage door when they come and go. None of our openers open their door, and their second car does not open our door, it's just the one car. I've reprogrammed our outside keypad and handheld remotes with no luck. Any other ways to force this thing to erase all the settings? Thanks.
Sounds like you may have a problem with the logic board since you are unable to reprogram remotes. It is rare to have someone else open your door with their remote unless you have an old opener. I would have them erase all codes on theirs and reprogram their remotes. That is the least expensive option but not convenient for your neighbor. The next option is to get a new logic board, but they cost $70. If your opener is older than 10 years, I would put the money towards a new opener. You will appreciate the latest safety features and the billion rolling code technology that no other remote can open. Matt, how did you make out?
Well, although it wasn't the answer I was looking for, I wanted the no-cost answer, but that wasn't going to happen. It was the answer I knew was coming, and it was good to get a second opinion before I went out and bought a new system. Thanks, Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.